Gonna cook a steak today for a healthcare worker mother who won a contest that we put on Facebook. It's a 38-ounce porterhouse for two. I took the steak in a vacuum sealed pouch, put it into a cooler full of water with my sous vide circulator to the contest winner's preferred steak temperature. I'm not going to say what that is because it'll make us all cry. It is totally cooked. You could eat it at this point if you want. The only problem is you don't have any of that crust, any of that sear. This is a 200,000 BTU burner. This is made for heating up huge pots of water or stock, or actually I think for brewing. I'm gonna get real close to it with this carbon steel pan, possibly burn my face off, but also possibly make a terrific steak really quick.